Hi lovelies! So today is going to be a get ready with me makeup kind of vibe. I did my 4th of July makeup yesterday. It wasn't really like 4th of July like themed or anything like that, but it was like blue inspired. It had some red in it and it does have some purple. So I'm going to recreate the look because I loved it so much. So let's just dive in. Okay, so I'm going to start off by using my Bamboo Charcoal Hydrating Jelly Moisturizer with Aloe. It's from the Black African soap line of Shea Moisture. I'm only doing a really thin layer because I've never really put makeup on top of this. Usually I wear this to bed, but I had forgotten, and I just tried to grab my balancing moisturizer and it's not working, but it wants to be hydrated today, so we're gonna try makeup on top of this. All we have to do is let it dry. But it has Black African soap, Bamboo Charcoal, and Aloe, so it's pretty good. Next I'm going to use the primer that I basically always use. It's the Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Primer. And it's just a little clear solution. But stay hydrated. Cool. Okay, so now I'm just going to dive into the foundation. I usually put foundation on before I do my eyes because you can just put on a bunch of powder down here so that you can just wipe away any fallout. To put on my foundation, I did mix 2 shades, but it was both of the same product. The Infallible Pro Matte 24 Hour, the 101 and the 102, and then I'm going to be using a beauty blender. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Fit Me in Fair 05 Maybelline. It's just like a loose powder that I just tip it into the lid. I'm going to put a little bit on my brush and just kind of like pack in my foundation. I do like to do this in stippling motions and picking up my brush fully each time. I feel like that allows it to kind of pack in the most. And then I'm going to put a little bit extra on the underneath of my eye so that the people in the crowd don't freak out when I have no fallout, but like it's fine. Extreme whiteness. Cool. So next I'm going to be doing my brows. I'm going in with my Anastasia brow pomade, and I'm warming it up just a little bit on my hand, and I'm going to dive in. Okay, so I finished my eyebrows, and now I'm going to head on into eyes. So first I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be taking Q-Key. Then after that I'm going to be taking Jax. And then in the end I'm going to be using this purple color, which is called Royalty, and then the blue color, which is called Twerk. So first I'm going to be using something that a lot of people probably miss a little bit. This is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Alrighty. So I would recommend going out a little bit more. Listen, sweetie, this is a bold look. If you can't be bold, then why are you doing this look? So when you're doing this, take just the tip, place it on, and do small circular motions. And be like barely touching it in an essence. Once you get out to the outer parts, you're barely touching the skin. You're basically just moving pigment with the tip of the brush. Okay, the base is looking pretty good on this. So now we're just gonna go straight into the other colors because, like I said, we're being bold today, honey. We're being bold. Okay, going in with the maroon color. fluffy one, and just kind of mix up the edges. And by mix up, I mean blend. 24/7. It's right here. It is definitely a deeper color for sure. So I'm going to be taking this smaller brush and using that dark brown color and putting it kind of on the edge. I'm going to go back in with a little bit of pukey. Now we're going to be going in with the purple color. Okay, so the purple is looking good. So going in with the blue on the same brush, and what I like to do is get it wet a little bit. You could use my MAC Fix Plus that I have, but honestly, water works. Okay, this is basically the look. I'm going to just basically clean up and touch everything, put on liner and then lashes, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back with the finished look. I did lashes, liner, I did black eyeliner, white eyeliner. I dotted a little bit of Fenty pink right in the corner, did a little bit of bronzer and highlighting, and then on my lips, I used the Bite Beauty in 036. It is honestly my favorite color, and it's supposed to be paired with the cashew color and the shiny lipstick on top. I love this duo, literally love. But today I just went with the Viva Glam 2 Satin A65. So, yeah. And this is, like I said, the final look. I won't really be adding any more touches. I'm gonna go do some errands, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up and comment down below what kind of eye look I should do next. This is definitely a little bit daring and it is very bold, but I really love playing with dark colors because they're harder to work with. So I like doing videos on darker colors because then you get a chance to see what kind of colors are being blended behind the scenes. Anyways, I'm done rambling. Give this video a like if you enjoyed, comment down below, and hit the subscribe button. Hope you guys have a great one. Bye-bye.